My name is Randi White and I'm your local Austin Realtor. Are you considering selling your home this year, but you're just not quite sure what that process looks like? Well, look no further because my video today is going to talk about these 7 steps that we would take together to get that home sold. So let's dive in. Step 1, the listing consultation. At a listing consultation, I am going to have 3 main goals. 1, I want to get to know you. Hi, Travis.
Hey, Randy, it's so great to see you.
Wow.
Awesome to see you.
Nice to meet you too.
Casa.
Yes, your casa. Let's take a look. 2, I want to get to know your house. And 3, I want you to get to know me and what it's like to sell your home in Austin's current market. Some of the particulars that we're going to talk about in this consultation include what are your motivations for selling and what do you need out of the sale?
Here comes the money, money, money,
I also want to hear about any special or unique features that you have about the property.
No doubt, Michael Jordan basketball.
I then want to explain my marketing plan and what I feel will work best for your home, community, and your unique preferences. Lastly, I want to talk to you about my services to you as your listing agent and the steps that we'll be taking together to get to the closing table. After we finish up the listing consultation, I'm going to pack up my notes and head back to my office to start on step 2 of selling your home, building a pricing strategy. So thank you so much for having me over.
Randy, thank you so much for coming to my home.
Yes, absolutely. Oh, hey!
Woo! Woo!
See you later. Now, a pricing strategy is not just about taking a guess at the biggest price that you can get for your house. A pricing strategy is about trying to get the maximum exposure for your home in whatever the current market is that you're trying to sell in. So as your real estate agent, I'm going to be taking a look at things like what's the current inventory? What are the average days on market? What are the characteristics of your hyper-local market? But most importantly, I'll be taking into account your desires and preferences as the owner of the home. I am then going to advise you on the price that I feel fits best within these details and will get us all the buyers. All right, so we have agreed on a price to list at, so we're going to move on to step 3 of selling your Austin home, which is getting the property market ready. Some of these things might include details like decluttering and deep cleaning, or repairs and small updates, landscaping, mowing the lawn, really freshening up that curb appeal. I might even suggest professional staging at times, and I'm always going to recommend getting professional photography done. Now, the details of these things are actually rather extensive, so I have created a separate video where we talk just about a make ready. Feel free to click down there whenever you want to learn more about it. All right, so we have the price that we're going to list at. We have your home looking awesome from that make ready that we just did. So now we're going to move on to step 4 of selling your Austin home, which is putting together a marketing plan.
Hello? Oh, hey Randy, what's up? Okay. No, you don't need to worry about any of that. My Craigslist ad is looking super polished. I already blasted it to all of my MySpace friends, and I got a new TikTok account. So we're gonna be good. We're trending by like this afternoon at the latest.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take into account what's going on in the market, what your home and community are like, but most importantly, I'm gonna take into account what your privacy preferences are as the owner of the home. I'm then going to create a marketing plan.
Marketing? Oh, it's all taken care of. I've been taking a bunch of selfies all over the casa, so we are set. Wait, what? A professional photographer? People have that for a job? Randy, you are like so smart at all this stuff, okay? Those ideas sound awesome. I can't believe I was gonna do this by myself.
So we got all the marketing out there, people are liking what they're seeing, and they want to come view the property. So let's move on to step 5 of selling your Austin home, showings.
Oh, hello? Yeah, it's totally still for sale. 4:30, that sounds great. Yeah. Oh, hold on. Oh, I gotta go. Hello? 4:45? 4:50? I can do. Oh wait, hold on. Hello? Hello? I can 5:30. I could do 5:30. Hold on for a second. 6 o'clock? Not chill. Not chill.
Feeling a little uneasy about having a ton of people in your house? I get it. Although I can't completely take this step out of somebody being able to view your home if they want to buy it, I can ease that pressure off a little bit with some handy technology called a Matterport tour. Matterport allows people to virtually walk around the house as if they were inside of it and step through each room. This way, people can double check and make sure they really like this home before asking if they can come visit. Maybe you don't mind having people come into your home, but you just wish you knew who it was and what time they're coming. I got an app for that. So, anytime somebody wants to come see a home, their buyer's agent is going to log on, request the appointment, send it to you and me, we agree, confirm it, and then you have all the information right at your fingertips. Who's coming, when they will be there, and how long they intend to stay. Technology, right? Man, all that hard work paid off because you have an offer. You might even have more than one. So let's talk about step 6 of selling your Austin home, going into contract.
Oh yeah.
Did you know that there are a potential of 32 outs for a buyer in a residential sales contract? And it is my job as your realtor to make sure that we have noted each of those outs, baby, to make sure that you get to the closing table on time for the amount that you were offered. So, what does it feel like to be in contract? Well, it can feel kind of nuts. There's a lot to do. The title company is going to need a lot of information from you. The buyer is going to want to talk to you about their inspections and what repairs they need. And then, whatever repairs are agreed upon, those services are going to need to be scheduled. So, how do you keep everything in line while still hitting your deadlines to make sure that you're not in breach of contract? Me. I'm going to be there holding your hand every step of the way because I do this every day and I know what your deadlines are, and I'm here to make your life easier. Guess what? You're almost there. We are at step number 7, the final step to selling your Austin home, closing. In those final weeks, we will be packing up your house, organizing movers, scheduling utilities to be shut off, and getting the home ready for the buyer's final walkthrough, which typically happens on the day before closing. They want to make sure that the home is vacant and ready for them to call home. On closing day, we arrive at the title office, excited as can be to sign those documents and pass over those keys. Boom! You just sold your house. Well, that's it for me today, folks. I hope I educated you on the steps that you would take to sell your Austin home. If you want to set up a consultation with me to talk about it a little bit further, feel free to click the link below, which takes you over to my calendar. You can also check out any other videos that I've made in this playlist all about selling your Austin home. It is a total pleasure to put these videos together for you guys, and I really hope you're enjoying them. I will see you next week.